Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we'll be discuss lesson 9 cloud computing. So let's start this video. Cloud computing. Cloud is something that is present at a remote location. Cloud can provide services over the network either on the public network or on private network. WAN, LAN, cloud is defined as a set of hardware, networks, storage, interfaces, and services combined together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over a network या internet. Means cloud computing that present at a remote location. Means through the cloud computing you can access your data, any type of data through remote location. Means other location you can access information. Cloud can provide services over the network. Example here means through the private network or public network. Example LAN or MAN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management (CRM) all run in cloud. Google Docs, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, Azure Cloud Storage, Norton, online backup, etc. are provide cloud computing. Are some of the common example of free or low cost online storage for the user. Means through the cloud computing means many company like Google, Microsoft provide cloud storage, and you can store your data on cloud and access any mobile through the internet. Let us take example of Facebook. Most of uploaded your photo, maintain album, update status, etc. in real time, and this can be seen by your friends almost instantaneously. You do still follow the traditional way of attaching photo in email and sending them to your friend. Means through a cloud computing example here the Facebook you share your pictures, make an album and your friends see your photo. But a traditional way upload your photo through mail and send your particular friend. Cloud computing is made up of two words, cloud and computing. Cloud is a metaphor for internet, hence it means computing on the internet. Thus, cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the application online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure, and application. Means cloud computing make two words, cloud and computing. Cloud is a metaphor for internet. It means computing on the internet through the cloud computer refers to manipulate, configure, store your data, access your data in application through online, and you store your data and application through online. Characteristic of a cloud computing. Cloud computing possesses the following character. First, on demand self service. On demand self service. In cloud computing, multiple clients can share the resources and application at the same times. Means through the cloud computing, multiple clients can share the resources and application at the same times. These cloud services and resources can be used on demand and often bought a subscription basis without human interaction with the service provider. To understand in a better way, you buy cloud services the same way as you buy telephone services or internet access from the utility company and pay for them as per the usage. Means on demand self service means in a cloud computing provide multiple client can share their resources and application on the same time, say real time. These cloud services and resources can be used on demand. Means on demand means you subscribe, take a subscriptions basic without human interaction and service provider, and use a better way. Means just like you recharge your telephone, then use your call. Same such types of service provide cloud computing is called the on demand services, self services. Next, the broad network access. Cloud computing simply means that the services can be accessed on the internet and anywhere in the world through multiple devices such as mobile phone, tablets, laptop, etc. Means cloud computing simply means that the services can be accessed on internet anytime, anywhere in the world. You can access any information anywhere. So this is called the broad network access. Here the cloud computing and on demand, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and major services. Next one, the resource pooling. The resource pool like virtual server space, network connections, bandwidth, etc. are pooled by multiple users simultaneously from a location without being interfered by the other user. Means resource pooling means virtual server space, network connections, bandwidth are pooled by multiple user. Means these resources use multiple user at a time simultaneously from any location. Means one by one access these resources. This is called the resource pooling. Rapid elasticity. Sometimes consumers require additional resources in a small period of time. In such scenario, cloud computing or the solution as it will with the elastic feature. This allows consumers to transparently scale up, increase, scale down the resources according to their computing needs. Means rapid elasticity. Means sometimes some consumer or customer need additional resources for a small period of time. So cloud computing provide a such type of features. This is called rapid elasticity. Next one is the measured service. Cloud computing is based on a pay for what you use model where resources usage is monitored, measured and reported transparently based on utilization. Cloud computing is based pay. Major services means this provide different types of services and protection and monitoring also for when we are paying and take such type of services. Next one is the types of cloud. There are 4 different types of cloud based on their own worship size and access. Public cloud, private, community and hybrid. Public cloud. A public cloud is a provision for open use by the general public. It has no boundaries and the cloud infrastructure can be used by anyone, anywhere over the internet. Means public cloud is a provisional open used by the general public. It has no boundaries and no limitations, and the cloud infrastructure can be used by anywhere, anytime in the world. Means this service is open for general public. Second, the private cloud. A private cloud is owned and used by the single organization over a private network. It centralizes the resources of the organization so that they can be accessed easily by various department and officer at different location. Means private cloud is owned and used by single organization to keep his record online, and it can centralize resources of organization so that we can easy way to access any department and officer of the different location. After we discuss two types in on second part of this video. If you face any problem, contact my number. Thank you.